a great day that the Lord has made. Okay, so we are going to make pizza. I already have my pizza dough here. If you want to learn how to make the pizza dough, check on my previous video. This, I intentionally made it thick because I like my pizza dough thick. Yes. So how to make it is over there. You can check it out. But today we're just going to do the filling and put on the pizza and then microwave it. So it is a no oven pizza. Yeah. Let's get going. Now, because first of all, because we made this the way we did, it's okay to actually put it in the microwave because it's almost cooked. You see? Okay. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up when I'm done, and don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this pizza. Okay. Now I have my vegetables here. I have my pizza, my cheese. I like a lot of cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. I have black pepper, onga. You can use any seasoning of choice, but I do have my onga here. I have my tuna flakes as well in sunflower. I've poured the sunflower oil out. I still have a little bit in there, but this is the tuna flakes. And I have my tomato stew that I've portioned into smaller. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm just going to use that as the base. Alright, the sauce on the pizza dough. Okay, so first of all, we're just going to season and saute our vegetables just a little. I don't want a lot of this. A little olive oil. Just reduce the heat. Down and then okay. Just gonna put first of all the onion and spring onion first. The tomato is very soft. You wouldn't want to, you know. So just that. Put in my onga. Just enough to keep it going. Just do it a little more, because this thing is gonna cook on the pizza as well. But I just want to taste that, you know, seasoning when you bite into it, how it will taste. I don't want it raw like that, so you need to season it a little and saute it a little before you put it on your dough. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I have my tuna flakes here. I'm just gonna put a little black pepper on there so that when it goes into the pan, that'll be it. As you can tell, me and my pepper, it's not a joke. Okay, so we're just gonna stir this up just so everything will go in the tuna, and then put it in here. And stir that up a little. Oh, the smell. Then you put your tomatoes. Everything is going to be recooked again, so you don't really want to waste time, you know, mixing it up or sauteing the vegetables or whatever. Just so everything can blend together, then you are done. Okay, so this is it. We are done. Yeah. Now it's time to spread our tomato sauce. If you don't have it, you can use ketchup to do it. But this has got a bit of pepper in it. then now you pour this, your filling. Just make sure it goes to every part of your pizza, with the exception of the very ends, just every part. You can do this with chicken, beef, fish, anything of any filling of your choice. You can choose also not to add vegetables, that's fine. I'm not really a vegetable fan, but this I wanted to eat with vegetables today, so yeah. So that's evenly spread. So what you do now is to put your cheese, your mozzarella cheese. I like a lot of cheese, so just bear with me on this. Yeah, so that's how it's gonna look for now. So then on the same plate, you can just put this straight into the microwave. So this is how it will look right now before microwave. Okay. Okay, so let's put this in the microwave. Now I got this microwave from SME Shopping Services. I will leave the contacts below just in case you need anything from them. They'll bring it from the UK to you. Okay, so this is it. Now I'm going to choose pizza. So that's number 7. And then I'm going to press on, I think it's here. Yep, I have options. So I have the 150 gram, I have 300, I have 450. I normally go for 450. Yeah. But it gives me less minutes, so I'm just going to see what I can go for. Let me see 150 that way. Okay, so that's 50 seconds. That's not good. I'm going to stop it, go back to pizza, and then choose the 450. So that gives me 1 minute 50 seconds. But you also have to keep checking to make sure your cheese is melted perfectly and everything. If it's not, you can give it an additional minute. So this is how it turned out after 2 minutes 20 seconds in the microwave. This is my pizza. So all you have to do now to make it look professional is to bring it onto your chopping board. Use a better knife for it because we don't have the cutter, so just grab one of your good knives and then just divide it. Divide. You see? See how delicious this is looking. Can't wait. I can't wait. I really cannot wait. See? You just divide it. I want to divide it into smaller parts, so, and I'm the only person eating it all. But it looks nice this way, so I'm just gonna divide it into 8 portions, 8 smaller parts. Okay, so this is it. Then you just transfer that onto your plate again. Simple. See? Very simple. And that's your pizza. So this is the pizza that we made. Homemade pizza. I hope you try it at home and enjoy it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to leave me your comments at the comment section. Till we meet again. It's bye-bye.